Hey guys, it's Jeff from Filmora. Welcome to my kitchen.
Have you ever wondered how they make those awesome, tasty style food videos? In this series, we are going to show you a few techniques to make those very delicious looking videos.
Like this. Bacon. I don't know about you guys, but that makes my mouth water. And here's why. We had unbelievably good lighting, we had awesome close-ups, and we were doing an awesome job editing with cut shots. This series is gonna be all about showing you how to do those, and do those really, really well. So stay tuned, and we will be hitting you up with bacon. Lots of bacon.
I ate too much bacon. Too much bacon.